Hey guys, please make sure to stay till the end. We'll talk about 3 common mistakes people make that can destroy your Maserati engine. We'll explain all about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video guys. If you want to see how to reset the service overdue, maintenance overdue light on Maserati guys, Levante. If you have a Ghibli, it will work I think as well. Now this is 2017 model, 2019, things may differ a little bit. We'll talk about that, but guys, if I go ahead and start the car, I want to show you what message we're gonna get here, and we'll have that wrench light, which is super annoying as well. Okay, check this thing out. Routine maintenance overdue. Okay, automatic high beams enabled. You can see it. Okay, right there guys. Routine maintenance overdue. So how we reset that thing now? What do we guys need to do? We need to go ahead and turn the car off. We're going to be using the X2 right here, and we're going to plug it in to the OBD port. Where is the OBD port located? Under the steering wheel. Now if you have a 2019 model, you will have to bypass one gateway module, I believe it was, which is located under the cover here. So you will need to go ahead and remove the cover, buy a special cable, plug it in. We'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get all these things from if you need to guys. That scanner itself, it can pay itself off in one-time use. This is an amazing thing. You can access every computer system in your car, and you have more than 40-50 different computers. Without pressing the brake pedal now, we're going to press the engine start switch until we come to the run position, and you will see the dash lights will turn on as well. Okay, just like that. It says okay, park brake engaged as well, routine maintenance overdue. Okay, perfect. Now what we're going to do guys, here we have the special functions or the diagnostics. We're going to go to special functions. Let me see, often you can go through both of those. And here in the oil reset now, okay, click oil reset, and we're going to do, this one is a European, we're going to find Maserati right here. Okay, it's initializing now the system, and you see you have that wrench there on the bottom too, right? Okay, it needs to go away. Here we go to Levante 2017, okay, dashboard system, integrated dashboard module. We go to here, special functions, right service information, warranty start date. Okay, so here before resetting the maintenance information, make sure that the time displayed on the center console screen is the same as the current time. If there is a difference, please adjust the vehicle time manually. Okay, so they need to match guys. Okay, we're going to check now. Successful operation. Okay, so you may need to adjust your time. Okay, if it doesn't match, okay, it needs to this one, okay, will need to be the same time, otherwise it may not work. So now we reset it guys. Okay, now what we're going to do, turn the car off. Let's go ahead. Okay, start the car now. Let's see. Okay, the wrench is gone. Check this thing out. The wrench is completely gone guys. Do we have maintenance overdue? No. Automatic high beams enabled warning? Yes, that comes on. But before that we always had the maintenance overdue, and after that again maintenance overdue. So you can see guys, okay, by the way, okay, we have videos on our YouTube channels on that Maserati that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos, but that's a common problem on those. The oil pressure sensor, if you want to see how to replace it, video will be on our YouTube channel, how to repair guys, and we'll have quite a few videos on it on this channel, World Mechanics too. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing to do that. By the way, never reset the maintenance light until you perform the maintenance yourself. And if you want to see how to do an oil change, save yourself $450, video will be on this channel, World Mechanics, how to do an oil change, what oil to use, 3 common mistakes people make when changing oil that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.